Harappan Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, was one of the world's earliest urban civilizations. Flourished in the Indus River Valley, which is now modern-day Pakistan and western India, from around 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE. The origin and evolution of the Harappan civilization are still subjects of scholarly debate, as the available evidence is limited and our understanding is continually evolving. Early settlements. The origins of the Harappan civilization can be traced back to the earlier Neolithic and Chalcolithic cultures that existed in the region. The inhabitants of these settlements gradually developed more complex agricultural practices, leading to the emergence of larger and more organized communities. Indus River Valley. Harappan civilization developed in the fertile floodplain of the Indus River and its tributaries. The availability of water for irrigation and fertile soil for agriculture contributed to the growth of agricultural communities and the subsequent development of urban centers. Urbanization. Around 2600 BCE, the first urban centers began to emerge in the Indus Valley. These cities, such as Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, were meticulously planned and characterized by sophisticated urban infrastructure, including well-organized street grids, public buildings, advanced drainage systems, and an impressive standardization of weights and measures. Trade and economy. Harappan civilization was involved in long-distance trade networks, evidenced by the presence of imported materials such as precious stones, metals, and marine shells. They also engaged in local and regional trade, with evidence of craft specialization and the production of goods like pottery, textiles, and beads. Writing system. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Harappan civilization is its undeciphered writing system. The Harappans used a script known as the Indus script, which has not been fully deciphered, making it challenging to understand their written records and documentation.